Want to wrap up your year with a creative highlight reel? The 2024 season comes to an end trend is all over TikTok and Instagram, and today I'll guide you through the simple steps to make your own. Whether it's for friends, family, or your followers, this trend is the perfect way to relive and share your best moments from the year. First, open TikTok and tap the search icon at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type 2024 season comes to an end and hit search. Scroll through the results to find a video with the template style you like most. Once you've picked a video, look for the CapCut. Try this template button, tap it, and you'll be directed to CapCut. Click Use Template in CapCut, and after the template loads, hit Use Template again. Now it's time to bring your story to life. CapCut will open your gallery, where you can select the photos and videos you want to include. Choose moments that truly highlight your year celebrations, milestones, travels, or even small but meaningful memories. After you've selected your media, tap Next in the bottom right corner. CapCut will process and generate your video. Take a moment to preview your video to ensure it looks just the way you imagined. If it's perfect, tap Export in the top right corner. CapCut will save your video to your gallery, and from there, you can upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or send it directly to friends and family. Share your journey with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more creative tips, and let me know in the comments what your favorite memory from 2024